spending way too much time posting on X, this software helps you schedule posts, post automatically, and even do automatic seeding, saving you hours of work every day. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. On my screen here is the interface of the MKTX software. On the left, there are many features, but I'll introduce you to one feature that my clients use the most. Before posting, we need content. Click on the content management section, then click add category. You can name this category anything you like. Next, click add post, select the category you just created, and choose the type: comment, message, post, seeding, or share. You can skip the post title because it won't be displayed. Now enter your content. You can use chat to save time on this part, or you can use one piece of content and click the software's preset characters here to avoid the post being flagged as spam or failing to post. You can also upload images or videos. Once done, click save. Next is the posting feature, which includes personal posts and community posts. Let's start with personal posts. In the general settings, set the interval between actions to 10 to 20 seconds in the content settings. You can take content from another account by entering the account ID, keep it as is, or edit it. Now, back to my favorite setup, use existing content. Configure the general content settings, select the content, and if you're posting with multiple accounts like I do, allow duplicate posts. Next, configure posting. Choose how many posts each account will make. Set wait times. Allow duplicates, add hashtags, tag users, or enable post interaction such as liking, commenting, or adding hashtags. That's the overview of personal post settings. Next, community posts. The general and content settings are exactly the same as before. The only difference is in the community settings. Choose communities you've joined or specify certain communities. Set how many posts each account will make and how many posts per community. The software can even automatically join communities for you for posts to specified communities. The only difference is that you paste the community link here. Simple, right? I'll run the software from the beginning so you can see how it works.
Caixa tá preparada pra fuder sua safada. Vem sentando na piroca, sua piranha safada. Vem, vem fuder, 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 vem, vem fuder. Vai xerequinha, toma, 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 toma. 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 Vem, vem fuder, 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 vem, vem fuder.
And to get a post to the top of search results, seeding is essential. Select the seeding feature. Set the general settings to 10 to 20 seconds. Paste the link of the post you just made. Set comments, add hashtags, tag users, and like posts. That's the main functionality. It's quite simple. I'll demonstrate it for you.
Caixa tá preparada pra fuder sua safada. Vem sentando na piroca, sua piranha safada. Vem, vem fuder.